When you travel a lot, you learn there are certain items that you just bring with you on every travel adventure because they're just so versatile and something that can be multi-use, multifunctional. In today's video, I'm going to show you my favorite top 10 items that I take on every travel adventure. Sometimes I take one, sometimes I'll take multiple, but I want to show you how I use them and how they can be useful to you as well. Let's get started. See, I have a lot of things on this table, and do I take all of them for every travel adventure? Well, maybe not every single one, but a lot of them do come with me on my travel adventures. Let's go through them one by one. The number one thing I bring with me on every travel adventure is this. This is called a hero clip, and they come in a variety of sizes and colors. These are two. I think this is the extra small, and this might be the large or the medium. I'm not really sure. I've had these for a really long time, but the beauty of them is they are so versatile. They're made to be able to hang a bag or something over a door. And how many times have you been to like a bathroom and the hook's broken or there's not a hook? This comes in really handy. This will hook right over the door. This swivels around so you can have it different ways. And then you just put your bag in here and allows it to be able to hang over the door. But you can use it for a lot of other things. For example, let's say you are in a bathroom, maybe a locker room or a shower or whatever. You want to hang your toiletries bag. You can do that on here as well. The other thing I use it for is when I'm traveling in a car. This allows me to hook this over the headrest stem, and that way I can hook my bag on there and be able to keep it from flying off into the front seat, onto the floor, and everything spilling out all over the place. So this is also something that I use to hang my water bottle off of. This is something I'll hook onto the seat pocket in front of me sometimes and hang my water bottle there. That way it's not just flailing away all over the place and rolling onto the floor. Most of those seat pockets are really narrow. You can really almost not get a water bottle in there anymore. This allows me to clip this, and I hook this end over and then clip my water bottle right in here, and then it's really easily accessible for me. So just so many uses. I know there are a lot of people who use this, so if you are someone who loves this hero clip, let us know in the comments what else you use these for. This next travel gadget is great for this coming season because of coats. It is made to be able to unlock, and you put your coat in here and then clip it back up. And then this little metal section will hook onto a strap so that you can keep your coat handy without having to stuff it into your personal item, because most of the time our personal items just don't even have that sort of ability to put anything else in it, so I can hold my coat on here. But again, you can use it for multiple things. You can also strap this onto the top of a shower bar or something to hold a toiletries bag. Or again, I have hooked this end in up here to that little stem on the headrest so that I can put my bag in here, and that way it doesn't go flying onto the floor. So multi-use, multifunctional. It's also something that's really handy just to carry. It folds up really small. So, you know, if you just want to stick it in your personal carry-on, if you're not using it right now for your travel adventure on the plane, it's always really useful to have something like this just on your everyday travels. So a great item to have. This next gadget is a hat holder for your bag. You loop this through and then loop it through the strap of your tote or something. And this is magnetic and it will hold your hat. But it's also useful for holding other things. Again, you can strap this over a towel bar, a closet rod or something to hold hats and belts, scarves. It'll hold scarves great as well. And it's also useful in the car. I'll strap this around the stem and then put the bag handle through here, close it up, and this magnet is strong enough to keep that bag from flying. And believe it or not, I have used this on an airplane when I bought a bag of popcorn once, and I just wanted to keep it closed. I couldn't finish it. I didn't know what else to do with it. I strapped this onto my tray table and then put my bag of popcorn right in here, and it kept it handy. It kept it so that it wasn't going to fly all over the place and spill because, again, I had no other room in my personal item bag, and that way I was able to have that and get my popcorn on the plane and home with me as well. So another great versatile item to take with you. This item, I don't travel without this. I'll be honest with you. This is, along with my hero clip, this is one I do take on every travel adventure. It's just one of those gear ties. You use it to maybe tie up like cords or whatever, but it's so versatile. I have used this as not only a tie to tie up things like even a towel or something, and I want to hook a towel onto something and wrap it on. It's just so versatile to have. I have even bent this into different positions and made it into a hanger so I could hang socks and underwear, even tops and robes and things where I washed something, I need it to dry. This has been bent into hanger position for me. I also have used it in a car where you can bend this over and be able to use it as a hook for your tote. And even once when I was at an Airbnb, they had no really good towel bars or anything. They had some hooks. I hooked this over the edge of the sink and I was able to hang my toiletries bag or my washcloth or something like that I want to use. So another great versatile, and it's just so versatile. I can't even say enough about this. It wads up really small like this, and you can use it for so many things. This is one of those things that does go with me on every travel adventure, and I just kind of wad it up and put it in my toiletries bag or whatever and make sure that I have this with me. Having a nice bag with you on your travel adventure is so important. And I like this specific one because it is waterproof. This comes in really handy, especially now during the rainy season where you can have a bag like this. I carry groceries in it. I use it as a laundry bag. I've taken it to the beach to collect shells. I put my grandkids' dirty sneakers and stuff in here where they're full of sand. Just keeps it, and I can shake it out really easy and keep it clean. And it folded up into this little tiny sack here. I've even used it once where I was out and about. It started to rain and I had a good leather purse with me and I didn't want it to get wet, and I shoved it inside this bag just to keep my leather purse from getting all wet. So having a nice bag like this that is so versatile is a must-have on a travel adventure. I always carry this bag with me. It's just, you stuff it back in. I just take my fingers and shove it back in here, and that way it's just ready to go whenever I'm ready to go. This little stuff sack is one of those things you just keep taking your thumb and shoving it in and shoving it into the sack, and then it just closes right up. You just cinch it right up and it's closed and ready to go. This is another one I take with me. A lot of times I just use this as a little laundry bag. So if you have something wet even or dirty, really dirty, this is great because it's not going to leak stuff all over the place. Comes with a carabiner and another one to take on my travel adventures all the time. I've talked about this several times, and this is an adjustable door hook. I know it doesn't seem very versatile, but it's so tiny. It's there to hang hangers, bags, your toiletry bags, whatever. I mean, your room's always going to have a door. I've even used this on a commercial door in a hotel, and it worked great to be able to have some place to hang robes, drying clothes, or whatever. So this is another one. I wrap these in painter's tape because I don't want it to scratch, because it is metal, to scratch the door of wherever I'm going to be. And this just gives it a little protection so I don't leave a mark on the door. But this is so thin, as you can see here. It's just something I always bring on my travel adventures. And I use them along with badge clips, these little badge clips. That's what I use like with this for. I can put these badge clips on things like this little gear tie, and it becomes a nice little place to hang up socks and undies and things that bathing suits, whatever you need to have dry. They clip right on here, and then I can just hook this thing right here and make it into a hanger or whatever it is I need to make it into, to hang up clothing and get it to dry. So this is a must-have. These kind of all come with me together in one bag, kind of in my kind of laundry bag type of thing that I bring with me. I've also used these little clippers to close up curtains. You know how curtains sometimes they don't shut all the way or something. These are a great thing to do with that. Or I put these on my purse to use as a hat clip, or use them with this where I can put this over the little loop here, and then I can not only clip my jacket, but I can clip my hat on here too. So this will hold nicely onto many types of hats and keep them so that they, don't fall off the table. If you're traveling or you're tired of wearing it, you can clip it to something. And of course you can use it as a badge clip as well, but it's just a little badge clip that you can order, and these work great for several different things. This next thing is a phone leash, and you put this little clear plastic part inside your phone case, and this sticks out, and you can have a little leash on this. Whenever I'm out in public, especially if I'm touring or something, I like to have this on my wrist. A lot of times I'm taking video with my phone and I am not paying attention. I want to make sure this is on my wrist, so if somebody knows that I'm not really paying attention, they don't just grab it from me. Now, the other thing is I also have used this as some sort of lanyard or a leash for my wallet. So that way, if my wallet's in my back pocket, I sometimes feel it's a little vulnerable. I will go ahead and put this on here, loop it through my belt loop, and that way they can't just walk off with my wallet. It's going to be something they'd have to really work to get that off of there. So this is another great thing. And I also keep on here a couple little zipper locks so that I can lock up things like bag zippers and things like that. There's a couple different ones on here. And this just comes with me on all my, this sometimes I use on the daily because I just always have my phone and I want to have things with me. But this is something that comes with me on all my travel adventures too. This next item looks like a credit card, but it's actually something called a Rhino card. It works similar to an Apple AirTag. It'll work with my Apple phone, and it'll allow me to be able to track anything that it's in, a purse, a piece of luggage, my grandchildren. That's why it's so versatile. I've used it even where I put it in a car. I had a rental car. You know, you're out in a big parking lot. I couldn't remember what my rental car looked like. I was using this, then I left it in the car. I could use my phone, get toward my car at least, and then the clicker on the actual key would actually, you know, make the sound of the car. But when you're so far away, the little fob doesn't work, and this allowed me to get closer to my car and know where it was and get to everything in there. What I really like about this is that it's rechargeable. So it recharges via a MagSafe recharger. So I can put this on my Apple MagSafe recharger and recharge this. You can turn it on and off. Another thing I do is I put a little label on this with my name, my phone number, and my email. I don't put my address, just those things on here. So if this gets lost, somebody can contact me and let me know, hey, I found this for you. But this is a great thing, rechargeable, and it fits just like a credit card in your wallet or anything like that. The last thing I bring is a towel. I always have a towel with me. It can be used as a scarf. It can be used as a blanket on the plane. It can be used as a towel. It can be used as a blanket to lay out on the beach or in the grass somewhere. It's just so versatile. It's one of those things that I always travel with one. And this is a really thin one. Believe it or not, I got this at Target. It was in their Bullseye Playground for like $5 this summer. And it rolls up nice and small and thin. And that way I can just put this in my personal carry-on. I sometimes will wear it as a scarf. That way it doesn't take up room. And I use it as a little blanket on the plane if I get cold, or even to wad it up and kind of put it against the side of the window side so I can use it as a pillow. But so versatile. It's one of those things that I have been to a couple of Airbnbs, believe it or not, where they either didn't have towels or something, and I now always carry a little towel with me. So those are my top most versatile gadgets that I take on all my travel adventures. I want to know from you, what are your most versatile, most used travel items that you take on your travel adventures? Leave those in the comments below. I want to thank you for watching this video. And if you could do me a favor, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, I think you're really going to like this one. And remember, travel adventure favors the prepared. Happy travels.